beautiful friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Anna. If you're new here, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious lamb recipe. These I'm using lamb loin chops that I found at the store. I made this recipe about 2 weeks ago because I saw the same lamb chops at the store and I've never cooked them before, and I made them with a refreshing mint pistachio sauce and they came out so good that I decided to make it again for dinner tonight. And I figured I will share it with you because this would be a perfect Easter recipe. So if you're hosting like a lunch or a dinner for Easter, this would be just delicious. So let me show you what you're gonna need. Like I said, here I have some loin chops. They usually come 4 in a pack. I always buy like these. I buy mine at Aldi's. And then you're gonna need some olive oil, some extra virgin olive oil, but regular olive oil would work. You're gonna need lemon zest and lemon juice. I have some fresh oregano because I had it already, some fresh rosemary, a little bit of chili powder, some dried thyme, but if you have fresh, you can use that as well. And then some garlic. That is all you're gonna need for the marinade. So let's go ahead and get into it. And the best thing is that you can marinate them the night before, do all the prep, and then the day of Easter you can just set them up. So you're gonna need a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and grate some lemon. Add that right in. And I'm also going to grate my garlic, just because I really don't want big pieces of garlic. And my final product, whatever you feel comfortable with, you can mince it very, very small if you want. There we go. And I'm gonna do about half of this one. I'm not gonna do the whole thing, just because when you grate garlic, it becomes very potent, like very strong. Unless you really want this to be very garlicky, you can add the 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to go ahead and add my dry spices, and I'm going to give my fresh spices a bit of a choppity chop. Okay, these are really nicely chopped. My oven's preheating for something I'm gonna make, because I'm gonna serve these with some delicious rosemary garlic potatoes. I already have the recipe for it here on the channel. I'm gonna link it down below because it's very simple and it just pairs beautifully with this dish. Okay, we're gonna give this a quick mix. And you want to put this marinade all over your little lamb chops. I did forget my lemon juice, so I'm gonna add it just now. Okay, just like that. And now I'm gonna go in with my hands and I'm just gonna make sure that everything is really nicely coated with the marinade. Okay, beautiful. Now I'm gonna cover these and I'm gonna let them sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. They're cold at the moment and you never want to cook meat that's cold. So I just pretty much removed them from the refrigerator just now. So I want to make sure that they come to room temperature, and that's also going to allow my potatoes to cook, because I just boiled them and I'm gonna pop them in the oven. And they take about 40 minutes. And once they have like 10 minutes left, I'm gonna go ahead and cook these and I'll show you what we're gonna do. My pork chops marinated. I have a skillet on medium-high heat. It is pretty much like to temperature already. You want it to be very, very hot so your lamb chops get a beautiful sear. So since mine is already hot, I'm going to go ahead and just place this bad boy right in there. That is the sound you're looking for. These are gonna cook for about 3 minutes on each side, and they're gonna be medium rare. While the lamb chops are cooking, we're gonna make the refreshing mint pistachio sauce. So in here I have some grated parm, I have pistachios, I have parsley, I have mint, I have a garlic clove, and I'm also going to add some, oh, there's a seed there, some lemon juice. I'm just going to blend this together with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Oh, there's another seed in here, and I want more. We're gonna add just a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm just going to blend this. It's been 3 minutes, so let's see. Oh yeah, look at that crust. That is what we're looking for. Beautiful. Look at that. My lamb chops are ready and they are perfection. Look at this beautiful sear. Now we add our beautiful sauce all over the top. I went ahead and I blended it because I like more of like a creamy consistency that the chopper wasn't giving me. So now we pretty much just drizzle this beautiful sauce all over the top. And this is how I would present it, with some beautiful leaves, just like so, just to give it a little bit more life. And this is the final result. As you can see, look how beautiful this is. You can put this on the table with lots of beautiful other sides, and it is chef's kiss. It just looks so beautiful, so presentable. The lamb is nice and tender, flavorful, with the refreshing pistachio mint sauce. And the roasted potatoes, these are my garlic rosemary potatoes like I mentioned before. I'm gonna leave the recipe so you guys can make it and serve it just like this. But look at that, just beautiful, perfection. I want to cut into one so you can see how it looks. So you can see, I like mine about like medium. Yeah, this is like medium. I usually leave it like medium rare, but this one I cooked for a little bit too long. But as you can see, yeah, it's kind of like medium rare, as you can tell. And with the sauce, a little bit of sauce, a little bit of potato. Let's see. It is honestly perfection. The lamb is so tender, so flavorful. And if you let it marinate overnight, it's gonna be even better. With this delicious sauce. I can't contain how good this is. That is it for today's video. I hope you make this for your Easter at anytime you want to eat lamb, pretty much. This would be a perfect summer meal. You can even make the lamb chops on the barbecue and they will come out so yummy. Read the recipe on my website, anitasrecipes.com. Make it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.